Hi everyone, this is Ryota and we are in week 12 of Kubernetes meeting of Burn meeting today. Today is 5th of December and so we'll get started. Please be aware that this Kubernetes is a Kubernetes community meeting which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent each-other. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful of what you say. And with that, I have the screen shared for the meeting agenda. I am going to share the link once again in the Zoom chat. And if you haven't done so already, please put yourself to the attendees list. And with that, we'll move on to the open discussion, which I don't see anything. As usual, if there is anything you want to discuss as a learning from from the release, please put the ideas into the retro doc, which we did go through quite a bit in the earlier retrospective this week, but I think we have quite a few more to go. And it is absolutely fine to put more stuff there as we go. So with that, we'll move on to the sub-team updates if there's anything. If there's nothing else for the open discussion, which I assume there's nothing. So we'll move on. And if there's any open discussion item that we want to touch on, like we can have the time for that later on. So with that sub-team updates, we will start with enhancements. Do we have anyone from enhancements team to give the updates?
Hi everyone, I'm Subhashmita from the enhancements team. Current status is green, and we do not have much of an update with respect to enhancements. It's been the same since last week.
Great, yeah, thank you so much. Great, thank you so much. Excuse me. And yeah, is there any question or comments for enhancements team? All right, if not, let's move on to release signal. Do we have anyone from release signal to give the update, please?
Hello everyone, I'm Kesuke from Release Signal, and our current status is yellow. We observed the one flaky test, like SIG Release master blocking CR Kubernetes unit job, and additionally, there is one release 1.35 release blocking issues, and we are keep tracking this. That's all. Thank you.
Great, thank you so much. Do we have any questions or comments for release signal? All right, if not, let's move on to the docs. Do we have anyone from docs team, please?
Hey, hi everyone, I'm Tushar Mittal and I'll provide the docs update. So our current status is green and this week's branching PR will be created today since it's already Friday. And with the release of version 1.35.0 RC release candidate 0, the team has begun preparing for the final draft of the release notes PR. And also, we were tracking 60 of the caps, and since the docs release that happened last Thursday, like 3rd of December, all of the PRs have either been in a completed state, that is PR merged, or they don't require any docs. So yeah, everything is green from our end. Yep, that's all.
Great, thank you so much. I know that there was a doc exception requests filed and approved, so I think everything is tracked at this point.
Yeah, I'm unaware of that doc exception. I probably let Urvashi comment on that. Yeah.
So can you repeat the question? Sorry, Ryota.
No, it was just making sure that we are on the same page about the docs exception requests that was filed, I think, yesterday, and I think it was approved.
Right. It was approved, and we are waiting that exception to be raised. Yeah, I think it's just one, and for rest we are all tracked. Yep.
Amazing. Great. Thank you so much for the update and also clarification. So with that, do we have any questions or comments for docs? All right, I think that's no. So thank you so much. We'll move on to comms, which we don't see any update at the moment. So we'll probably skip. As far as I understand, comms had the few action items related to press communication webinar setup and also the release blog. For the release blog, I think they started the write-up. I think at this point, I don't think anything is blocked or in trouble. So I would assume that this is green, but yeah, I'll have the comms team to confirm on that. We don't have anyone from comms team at the moment, I think. So yeah, we'll try to get that confirmation later today. All right, with that, release branch management, we don't have any status update at the moment. Sub-project lead, the same thing. We don't have any updates just yet. Maybe we get something later in the EMEA Americas meeting. And for release lead, Drew's not here, but I will read it out what he's put together. So reached out to SIGs with missing and overdue release highlights. I think we did see some updates on that. Doc freeze exception is complete. Great job, team. Observing any follow-up needed for RC0 cuts and evaluating scheduling, and 3 KEPs for release interview. So the press is happening soon, and finishing up logo and write-up. Yeah, that's something that we get always excited about, and we need Drew to actually give some hints and some kind of early sneak peek, but I think that's probably going to happen maybe next week. I'm not sure. I think that's it for release lead. Do we have any questions or comments for release lead? All right, if not, there is SIG scalability, which doesn't have any status at this moment. I would assume that it's green. And with that, I think we covered all the sub-team updates. Do we have anything that we want to touch on before I stop recording? All right, if not, thank you very much, YouTube. I'll just stop the recording. Bye, YouTube.